Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to restart Realme phone with power button. To restart any Realme phone with power button, firstly we have to enter power menu. In order to do it, press and hold power button and volume up button, like on any latest Android smartphones. Now simply swipe up to select restart. If you want to use only power button for this function, let's go to settings and find gestures, windows and power button. Select power menu instead of digital assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.